Hello everybody, welcome back to Hugo House. Today, let's take a look at this Killington log cabin that features a great open floor plan. The Killington log home is a great-sized log home floor plan that could be great for a smaller family to reside in full-time. This log home features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with a great open floor plan. Inside the home, there is a cathedral ceiling and an open concept design which keeps the main floor nice and spacious. The kitchen area features a pantry with a porch off to one side, which is a great feature to have. Plus, there's plenty of cabinet space to store all kinds of kitchen tools and appliances. The living room is spacious and the dining room is right close by too, which makes it a great home space for day-to-day life as well as entertaining friends and family members. Of course, a fireplace could also be added into the living room area, because what's a log cabin without a wood-burning fireplace after all? There are also 2 bedrooms with closets and a bathroom on the main floor, which would be great for the kids. Then upstairs in this log home is another bedroom, which would be great for the parents to have a private space with a nice-sized loft and full ensuite bathroom. This log home plan from Coventry Log Homes is 1,473 square feet and is available in a logs-only package, shell log package, and complete log packages. Prices start at around $57,000. Coventry Log Homes is a great company to choose for building log homes and cabins. They have over 20 years of experience building log homes, which makes them experts in the field. It's also a family-run company, which is always a nice type of business to support that'll also be likely to bring great customer service to all of their clients. Before it was named Coventry Log Homes, another log building business was started by Jim Elliott, who began the business when his children were very young. And then years later, when the kids were old enough, they were helping Dad with building the log homes for the business. And when it came time for Jim to retire, sons Jeff and Mark took over, and Coventry Log Homes was born. Coventry Log Homes was named after the New Hampshire town where they grew up. The hometown's original name was later changed to Benton. Jeff started Coventry Log Homes by building a small mill on the horse lot that belonged to his father on Court Street in Woodsville. He then hired his younger brother Mark, and their business became incorporated in 1994, naming himself president and Mark the vice president. Now, Coventry Log Homes has over 60 models in 5 separate categories to include the craftsman, the tradesman, the cabin, and the recreational camp series, as well as additions and garages. The log mill produces 3 package options from the log wall, the shell, and the complete log home package in a variety of log profiles. Today, Coventry Log Homes employ over 30 people at any given time to fulfill all of the duties that go into creating their log homes. It goes to show what a quality log home product and hard work will do. The log homes that you will find on the Coventry Log Home site are some of the most beautiful log homes you'll find, great for living in full-time, to use as guest homes, and as log home vacation homes. There's sure to be something on the site to suit most every lifestyle and need, with modifications and the log home designs available to get the log home floor plan that works best for you and your family. And if you like this video, don't forget to consider dropping us a like and subscribing to our channel. We always feature new homes every single day, from log homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and other inspiring home ideas. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.